Alright, so I just happened on this accident. No injuries, amazingly. I guess airbags do their job, but that car is totaled. The other one is probably too, and we're just waiting for the cops to show up. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I won't be here too long. But I do wish people would slow down as they drive by here.
Hello?
Hi, how you doing? This is Dave with Palmer Ridge Road Rescue. I got a call for a tire service,
Yes. Yes.
and I understand you're on I-25 southbound. Is that correct?
Correct. We're actually in front of an exit, that's a street exit 156. So we're close to exit 156 heading south.